Welcome back to our channel, Nature. Watch full video to understand. Visit our website, www.nicheur.com. Today's topic on use of storytelling to engage audiences in content marketings. In the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing, capturing and retaining your audience's attention is crucial. Storytelling has emerged as one of the most effective tools in content marketing, enabling brands to connect with their audience on a deeper, more emotional level. Here's a comprehensive look at leveraging storytelling to enhance your content marketing strategy and engage your audience effectively. Understanding the essence of storytelling. Storytelling is an age-old technique used to convey messages, teach lessons, and entertain. In the context of content marketing, storytelling involves creating narratives that resonate with your audience, making your brand more relatable and memorable. It's about transforming your brand message into a story that your audience wants to hear, share, and act upon. Benefits of storytelling in content marketing. Storytelling has become an essential tool in content marketing, transforming how brands communicate with their audiences. By weaving compelling narratives into your marketing strategy, you can create a more engaging and impactful experience for your audience. Here are some key benefits of storytelling in content marketing. 1. Emotional connection. One of the most significant benefits of storytelling is its ability to evoke emotions. Stories can make your audience feel happiness, sadness, excitement, or empathy, creating a powerful emotional connection. This connection helps to build trust and loyalty, as consumers are more likely to support a brand that resonates with their feelings and values. 2. Enhanced engagement. A well-crafted story captures attention and keeps the audience engaged from start to finish. Unlike straightforward advertising or dry content, stories have a beginning, middle, and end, making them more interesting and relatable. This increased engagement can lead to higher interaction rates, including likes, shares, and comments on social media and other platforms. 3. Improved brand recall. Stories are inherently memorable. When information is presented in a narrative format, it is easier for the audience to remember. This improved brand recall ensures that your audience retains your message and remembers your brand long after they've interacted with your content. A memorable story can keep your brand top of mind when consumers are making purchasing decisions. 4. Differentiation. Storytelling makes your brand stand out in a congested market. While many brands may offer similar products or services, your story is unique. By sharing your brand's journey, values, and mission through storytelling, you can highlight your unique value proposition in a way that resonates with your audience and sets you apart from competitors. 5. Humanizes your brand. Storytelling allows you to present your brand as more than just a business. It humanizes your brand by showcasing the people behind it, their experiences, and the values that drive them. This human element makes your brand more relatable and approachable, fostering a deeper connection with your audience. 6. Simplifies complex information. Narratives can simplify complex information, making it more digestible and understandable for your audience. Whether you are explaining a complicated product, a new service, or an intricate process, storytelling can break it down into relatable and easy-to-follow segments. This clarity helps your audience better understand and appreciate what you offer. 7. Encourages social sharing. Stories are inherently shareable. When your audience connects with your story, they are more likely to share it with their network, amplifying your reach. This organic sharing can lead to increased brand visibility and attract new customers who may not have encountered your brand otherwise. 8. Drives conversions. A compelling story can guide your audience through the buyer's journey, addressing their pain points and demonstrating how your product or service can resolve them. By aligning your narrative with your audience's needs and desires, you can effectively drive conversions and encourage them to take action, whether it's making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or contacting your sales team. 9. Builds community. Storytelling fosters a sense of community among your audience. By sharing stories that resonate with your audience's experiences and values, you create a sense of belonging. This community-building aspect can lead to stronger customer relationships and a loyal fan base that advocates for your brand. 10. Supports SEO efforts. Engaging and high-quality content is a key component of effective SEO. Stories that captivate and retain your audience can reduce bounce rates and increase the time spent on your site, which are positive signals to search engines. Additionally, shareable content can generate backlinks, further enhancing your SEO efforts. Conclusion. Incorporating storytelling into your content marketing strategy offers numerous benefits, from creating emotional connections and enhancing engagement to improving brand recall and driving conversions. By leveraging the power of storytelling, you can differentiate your brand, humanize your business, and build a loyal community. Embrace storytelling to transform your content marketing efforts and create a lasting impact on your audience. Would you like examples of successful storytelling in content marketing, or tips on how to get started with crafting your brand's narrative? Crafting compelling stories. To create stories that engage and resonate, follow these key steps. 1. Know your audience. Research, using analytics, social media insights, and pain points. Learn about the interests, demographics, and problems of your audience. Persona development. Create detailed buyer personas to tailor your stories to their specific needs and desires. 2. Develop a clear narrative structure. Beginning. Introduce the context and characters. Set the stage for your story. Middle. Present a conflict or challenge that your audience can relate to. And resolve the conflict, ideally using your product or service, and provide a clear call to action. 3. Be authentic, genuine stories. Share real stories that reflect your brand's values and mission. Authenticity builds credibility. Consistent voice and tone. Make sure your voice and tone are always in line with your brand and appealing to your target audience. 4. Incorporate emotional appeal. Tap into emotions. Use emotions like happiness, sadness, fear, or excitement to create a deeper connection. Relatable characters. Create characters that your audience can identify with, enhancing the emotional impact. 5. Use visuals to enhance your story. Visual storytelling. Use pictures, videos, and infographics to enhance your story. Visuals make stories more engaging and easier to digest. Consistency. Ensure visual elements align with your brand style and message for a cohesive experience. 6. Leverage multiple platforms, multi-channel distribution. To reach a wider audience, share your story on a variety of venues, including blogs, social media, emails, and videos. Tailored content. Adapt your stories to fit the format and audience of each platform for maximum engagement. 7. Encourage audience interaction. Call to action. Include clear calls to action that prompt your audience to engage with your content, such as sharing their own stories or commenting. User-generated content. Encourage your audience to share their experiences related to your brand, fostering a sense of community and engagement. 8. Measure and optimize. Analytics. Make use of tools to monitor the effectiveness of your narrative content. Measure engagement, shares, and conversions. Feedback. Collect feedback to understand what resonates with your audience and refine your storytelling approach accordingly. Conclusion. The power of storytelling in content marketing lies in its ability to create meaningful connections with your audience. By understanding your audience, crafting compelling narratives, and using emotional appeal, you can create engaging content that captures attention, fosters loyalty, and drives action. Authenticity, visual elements, multi-platform distribution, and continuous measurement are key to a successful storytelling strategy. Embrace storytelling to not only convey your brand message, but also to build lasting relationships with your audience. Thank you. For more information, read blog link in the description. Visit our website www.nicheur.com.